Is she gone?
I don't see Miss Brown unless she's still in the breakout room. She's number 19. Yeah, she's look like she's still in there.
Okay. So she's in the breakout room. Miss George is gone for the day, I'm guessing.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
All right.
Judge, it just came back up. I'm checking it. Give me a second.
No worries. Even if he did, I think it's best that he do it again. He wrote the great American novel to come here for that hearing today. Jesus Christ.
He did.
He needed a hole punch and a binder.
Mm-hmm.
He was very prepared. I mean, I'll say that he and argued incredibly well. I mean, that was you could put him across the courtroom from someone, and I mean, he was on it.
Mm-hmm.